Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are exploring a very practical chemistry question. Does acetone dissolve polyethylene? You almost certainly have both of these materials in your home right now. Acetone is the main ingredient in most nail polish removers, and polyethylene is the incredibly common plastic used to make everything from milk jugs and shampoo bottles to plastic shopping bags. So, let's dive in and see what happens when these two common substances meet. To understand the answer, we first need to know a little about each one. Polyethylene is a type of plastic known as a polymer, which means it's made of very long chains of molecules all linked together. The most important thing to remember for our question is that polyethylene is a nonpolar substance. On the other hand, we have acetone. Acetone is a very effective solvent, known for its ability to dissolve things like paint, superglue, and of course, nail polish. Chemically, acetone is a polar molecule. This single difference between them, polar versus nonpolar, is the key to everything. In chemistry, there is a fundamental rule that says like dissolves like. This simple phrase means that polar solvents, like water or acetone, are good at dissolving other polar substances. Similarly, nonpolar solvents are good at dissolving other nonpolar substances. A classic example is oil and water. Water is polar and oil is nonpolar, which is why they refuse to mix. The same principle applies here. So, bringing us back to our main question, the direct answer is no, acetone does not dissolve polyethylene. Because acetone is polar and polyethylene is nonpolar, the acetone molecules simply can't break apart and surround the long polymer chains of the plastic. However, this doesn't mean acetone has zero effect. If you expose polyethylene to acetone, you might observe some minor changes. It can cause the plastic to swell slightly or make its surface appear a bit dull. Acetone is very good at removing any ink or adhesive labels on polyethylene, but it doesn't harm the plastic itself. For softer, more flexible types like low-density polyethylene, LDPE, acetone might cause it to become temporarily softer, but this is a physical change, not a chemical one. The plastic's core structure remains completely intact. It is not dissolving. As a quick safety reminder, always handle acetone with care. It is highly flammable, so keep it far away from any open flames, and use it in a well-ventilated space to avoid inhaling the fumes. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this video helpful and easy to understand, please give it a thumbs up. Your support really helps us out. And if you'd like to see more science questions explained simply, please consider subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.